Here's our quail pen set up with sand, the feeders, and water. We've got rabbit waters over here.
Mama, there's still a bit of fresh, clean water. Nope, yellow. Then the little one. Then the girl. Mom, Mom, the camera, focus. They're gonna jump down. Oh my God, that was so cute. Funny.
Oh, the other rooster stayed out, didn't he?
I think that was
So these are the Mille, Fleur, Bantams. One hen and one rooster. One more rooster, but he is still out. Oh, they're so cute with their fluffy feet and their little faces. And they stay in the pen here, which is really good. Yeah, you can just And this is a TP. That stuff's gonna grow up. And it has beans growing there. Spinach here. Haven't going to seed, which I think I will disallow. And the peas and kale are doing awesome. And my walking onions. And then nasturtium. Can you guys stop? This baby bib lettuce is really doing well under the kale here. And that's a weed. There. Probably pull some of that today. Focus. Planted these orange, actually I think they were grapefruit seeds like months ago, and they're growing all of a sudden, and I wasn't even watering. There's one little point there. They're so cute. Anyway, they're never gonna bear fruit, but they will be little miniature evergreen trees. So that should be interesting. We've got some eggs in the incubator, quail eggs. Just started them today. We've got 15 eggs going. So that will be fun. They take 18 days.